Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a taskbar separator on your Windows desktop. This feature allows you to split the icons on your taskbar into various segments. Welcome to this channel. Let's jump straight to it. First of all, we go ahead to get rid of the search bar. On the taskbar here, just right click and go to your taskbar settings. Under search on the right side here, just expand this, then select hide. Not there anymore. Just going to close this. Now we're going to head on to the browser. Now before we do anything, we have to go to this website, this .net.microsoft.com. I'll be leaving these links for you in the description. Now we're going to scroll down here. Under the Net Desktop Runtime, we have this latest version here, this 6.0.33. Okay, now you have to check which operating system you're using. If you're using a 64-bit computer, you choose x64. Otherwise, you just go for x86. Because I'm using a 64-bit computer, I'm just going to go for this. Just click on that. There's a chance you already have this installed on your computer. If that's the case, you can skip this step. So right now, we head on to the file location. And we're just going to install this. All right, just double click on that, click on install, go ahead and close it. That's it about that. We're going to head on to the next one here, and we're going to download this TaskSeparator, okay, from this website, github.com. So we'll go to the right side here, scroll down a bit. Now here, just click on the latest, click on that. Now you're going to select this first option here, click on this zip file. Once download is completed, we go back to the file location. So I light on this TaskSeparator, right click on it. I'm using WinRAR, just going to extract here. Right click on the setup, run as administrator. If you get any notifications, select yes. Next, next, next. Now it says TaskSeparator 11 has been successfully installed. Just go ahead and close it. Now I'm going to search for it. The TaskSeparator app, just click on that. Now it says clicking this button will create a separator on your taskbar. Select create separator. So we have the splitter right there, just right click on it, then select pin to taskbar. Next thing you're going to do is to drag it to any position of your choice. Just going to drag it right here, and that's it. So we already created one splitter. We'll go ahead again, we'll go back and look for this app again, TaskSeparator. Just open it, same way, create separator. And now we have another one. Just right click on it, select pin to taskbar. I'm now going to drag it down here. This little thing we did right here has given a whole new look to your taskbar, okay? This makes your taskbar look tidy and organized. You can split the icons on your taskbar into different segments, and this is just a simple way to keep your taskbar organized. So that will be all for now, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, do well to subscribe to this channel. Also, leave this video a like. I'll be waiting for your comments at the comment section. Have a nice day and peace out.